Hey, good morning. My name is Scott Rohde. I'm with Forest River. I'm the sales product manager for Surveyor. Today we're going to be going through the revised and reimagined Grand Surveyor 301 FKDS. Inside here today we're starting in the kitchen area. We always look at how much counter space there is up here and we think about prepping and so forth. Off to the right, we've got a nice undermount stainless steel sink with a couple sink lids. Take that one off, you can cut and prep. Over this direction, in all of Surveyors, you're getting a 10 cubic foot residential style refrigerator, so it's as big as we can get inside of a travel trailer. Towards the cooking area, it's pretty cool. You'll see the range has got a nice LED light to it, window behind it for venting. Behind there's a knife rack. We've got a cup that'll hold ladles, spatulas, and spoons. Front window gives you a lot of light and visibility, overhead storage. One of the items we like to also point out is we're providing a trash can in every one. It's a nice 3.5 gallon one. It actually fits those bags you get at the convenience store and grocery store. So you'll see that in every Surveyor as well. The Grand Surveyor's got a few things that are standard. For example, the 15K Coleman Mach AC is standard in everything, but in this particular model, we updated our freestanding dinette. The wood color's similar to our Landberry Oak. It's our secondary wood color in here, but we burnished the edges, and typical freestanding dinettes are 36 inches up to maybe 40. So what we did is we added a really cool 11-inch pull-out leaflet. So now you're at 47 inches. So now if you have guests, and this is a standout feature for us, you've got these fold-away chairs. So now you have guests, and you got plenty of room on this side and that side for 4 people. As we move this direction with the Grand Surveyor, there's certain things, again, that are just standard in it. A 39-inch or 50-inch TV is going to be standard. This model shows the 50-inch. A surround sound soundbar. Standard in all your Grands are a fireplace, 5,200 BTUs. It will heat this room. And in this particular model, the 301 FKDS, you'll see there's a fireplace that's standard in the bedroom as well. So you probably don't even have to use your LP heat depending on where you're at. In the living area, we bring you over here. You'll see again our center block with the Surveyor logo. Above it, a nice amber light we purposely picked because when some of these other lights are out and the fireplace is going, you've got a real nice setting in here. And then this is what we call the TSS, the trifold sofa seat. So as you can see right now, it's a sofa seat. Leg extensions on both sides, easily pulled. Cup holders here. But sometimes people just want a sofa. So in our case, you remove what we call this center console pontoon. I can put it here. And now I've got a sofa, so if I want to kick back and read, I can do that. Then occasionally you're going to have a guest with you. You would take off these back cushions, and you'll see how this turns into a tri-fold bed as well. You lay this down, put a nice little cover over it, a topper of sorts, some blankets, and now your guests are really happy they came with you on this trip. Again, when we start looking at our 301 and our 302 series, you're gonna get an extra sofa. And then down this way, we'll go ahead and show you the bedroom and bathroom. In the 301 and 302, we have a washer dryer prep. Now, if you don't wanna use a washer and dryer, you can see there's an abundant amount of hanging space for extra storage. As we move towards the shower in the Grand, it's really neat because all your Grands get a glass shower, and you can see it's 3 panes, so that way you have the widest possible opening. The Grand Surveyor gets an upgraded faucet. Resort mirror that we're using here, it's cool. It's a platinum style, a lot bigger than what we're used to using. You'll see a toothbrush holder on the inside as well. So we've tried to think of all those little things for when you go camping. It's one of the things I should have said early on is when you think of Surveyor, think of the best constructed, most ready to go trailer. It's kind of 7 words that we want to implant in everybody's head. When looking at a trailer, again, it's the little things that add up, and this is something that we're pretty excited about. We've had these pull rivet buttons over the years, and now we've got a real nice, easy grommet. You turn it, and there's your pocket door. Easy opening, easy closing. You'll see that in your Surveyor lineup this year as well. Little things add up. In the 301 FKDS bedroom, you'll see we actually use a king-size bed. Not all kings are created equal, so you want to look for one that's 80 inches by 72 wide, and that's basically what you're going to be able to get for your comforter and your blankets and sheets and so forth. This particular model is standard 50 amp second AC prep. In this one, we actually added the second AC. So you've got 13,500 BTUs in the second AC, a couple wardrobes, drawers on each side and big drawers underneath, a place for shoes underneath those drawers, and in between another shelf so you can put some jeans, you know, sweatshirts, what have you. When you come out of Surveyor, take a look, you'll see a real cool new door handle for opening instead of the paddle, platform steps. This model did not have an outdoor kitchen before. The elements for a Surveyor outdoor kitchen are a refrigerator, which opens in this position, a sink, a griddle, and a spray port. Over here, slam latch on the front luggage and motion light, 3/4 inch drill bit, and you've got pass-through storage here. On the other side of the bed, you've got outside storage as well. This particular model, we optioned in our power stab jacks. On the back of Surveyors, you're going to see a lot of similarities. The Grand Surveyor, standard with the bike utility rack, spare tire on all your Surveyors. You can see we partnered with Go Power, so all of your Surveyors have got a solar panel on the roof, but our theme is really Go Power, go anywhere in your Surveyor. Ladders are standard, backup camera prep. If you want to see more information, please go to our website, forestriverinc.com/Surveyor. Check us out on our YouTube channel, Instagram, and Facebook. Appreciate you checking out the 301 FKDS. Happy trails out there camping.